Just got this from Ikea. Oof, it's heavy. Ugh. Says to install. I gotta take it out. Well, I gotta screw things up, put things. It's like 15 pages of instructions. I'm gonna. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to 1,000 Ways to
Make Money.
Money, 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 money. So today we're gonna go and show you a unique way to make money. As long as you got a few minutes, you can go ahead and do that. So has this ever happened to you? So you go to Ikea or any other shop and you buy a furniture, right? And you get this. It's like list of instructions on how to install it, fix it, right? So has it ever happened to you?
Yeah, every time.
You know how much, I get headaches when that happens.
Yeah.
And one of the ways that you can actually make money, cash money, is by posting. Go to Craigslist, so search up Craigslist for your city and post just this, same line, okay? Ikea installer. That's all you do, okay? Post it on there and trust me, people are willing to pay $100 for just fixing up a chair.
Yeah.
Let me show you a chair.
Simple stuff. So
we paid $25 for this.
Yep.
Everything was everything
it was
like
just these legs that they put in.
Legs and these the top and then the back thing.
Yeah.
So it took him about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And the guy earned $25. So you can do that and make money as long as and you don't need to have any degrees or certifications. All you gotta be able to do is post it on Craigslist, and these days you can actually post it for free too.
Yeah, and you can post it on Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah, there's so many more people there.
Your friends on
Yeah.
Facebook might actually be like, okay, we go through this every
Exactly. You can just walk around and find maybe older neighbors in your neighborhood and just ask them, hey, do you need help with putting together your furniture? Do you need help taking it apart? Whatever works, right?
One more idea, okay? One more idea. Boom, boom. It's something idea box here. So go to Ikea, okay?
Yeah.
In the parking lot.
Yeah.
It might be illegal, but it's at your risk. You know those people carrying a lot of items? Just be like, hey, give them your card and be like, hey, I can install these things for you. I can come by on a Saturday or Sunday, whenever you want me to.
Yeah, just have like a little flyer printed out.
Yeah.
It says assemble IKEA furniture.
Yeah.
Call this number. Hand it to every single person walking in and out. The worst thing they can tell you is don't do this, go away.
Go away.
And then you go to another IKEA.
IKEA. So here's the thing, guys. Okay, so a lot of you guys restrict yourself from making money because you think, oh, it's legal, it's illegal. Now I get it, right? So I'm not gonna tell you to sell weed, but it's up to you.
That's true.
So I'm not gonna be like, oh, hey, go sell some marijuana. You can buy it from this guy on Craigslist. It's called, mushrooms, all these things. I'm not telling you to do that, but you could.
Yeah.
You're not killing anybody. But again, I'm not telling you to sell weed or marijuana. All I'm telling you is that a lot of people, they restrict themselves from making money just because the fact that they think, oh, it's illegal. Hey.
Yeah.
What can anybody do to you if you pass out flyers? All they will say is,
go away.
Go away.
Don't do it here today.
Don't do it here today.
Yeah.
That's it, okay? And if you just go to a car and just ask people, I don't think those people have time to complain about you because you asked them if they could use your help. That's all you did. Nothing wrong.
Especially if you do it when they're walking out.
Yeah.
They're not going to walk back into the store and be like, that guy bothered me. They're like, we'll just go home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was how to make money, 1,000 ways to make money. And Satish and Nikesh, I hope you guys are loving our videos. This is pretty unique, right? So do me a favor. Hit that, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And best part here, guys, you got to help us out, okay? Share the video with your friends, family, on Facebook, wherever you're posting. Share it with them because guess what? The more subscribers we have, it's better. We get motivated. We're gonna go ahead. We gotta reach to 1,000 ways.
Yes.
That's a long way to go, and we are committed to doing that. And but you gotta help us out, okay? So do that. Till next time. Bye bye.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.